Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand assets into Webflow CMS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your brand assets, including logos, images, and any other relevant files. Organize these assets into clearly labeled folders for easy access during the transfer process. Log into your Webflow account and navigate to the project where you want to transfer the brand assets. Go to the CMS Collections section of your project. Create a new collection for your brand assets, specifying a suitable name that reflects its contents. Define the necessary fields for the collection, such as image, name, and description. Upload your brand assets to the respective fields in the new CMS collection. Make sure to provide descriptive names and alt text for each asset to enhance accessibility and SEO. Set up the publish settings for your CMS collection to ensure your assets will appear on your website. Customize your collection page to display the brand assets in a visually appealing manner. Use the Webflow Designer to style your asset collection, adjusting layouts, colors, and typography to match your brand identity. Test the collection on your website to ensure all assets display correctly and are accessible. Adjust any field settings within the CMS if needed to optimize appearance and functionality. Consider adding filters or categories to your collection for better organization and user navigation. Save and publish your changes to make the brand assets live on your website. Regularly update your CMS collection as new brand assets become available to keep your content fresh. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.